See, over the last 18 months, I have seen crypto becoming a very integrated part of an individual's portfolio. From the modern portfolio theory, people want to sort of maximize the returns, risk-adjusted returns, and crypto is an asset class that fits very well there. Of course, the percentage depends upon risk appetite, but I have seen that a lot more sophisticated investors are now seeing crypto not as a speculative asset, but rather a very important asset in their portfolio. And from that point, I think the data also suggests that we were checking the data on our platform from the last year to this year, H1. We have seen a 24,000 crore increase in trading volumes, roughly 40% of that. And overall, when you look at what is the holding period of an individual, it also tells us that people are now looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the top blue chip crypto assets as a long-term holding asset rather than
investment rather than short-term trading. Sumit, also, what are the various kind of investment options that are available within crypto right now? Because for the longest time, we've spoken about buying and selling, and then it has been about yielding. People are also leasing their cryptos. Are Indians apt and doing that?
I think people who are doing investment in crypto assets are now evolving more to different instruments. I think just like how we have in stock markets, here you can do SIP. So you can start with as low as like 100, 200 rupees, do a weekly SIP investment. People who don't know when to get in, what is the frequency when to buy. So SIP is there, simple buying and selling is there. People do trading as well outside their trading hours when the stock market closes. People now move to crypto and then
it's a 24-hour market.
It's a 24/7 market. It's more exciting, more volatile. People love it. Traders love it. People are also doing derivatives, in crypto assets. That's also emerging. And people are doing yield. For example, if you have Ethereum, so you can stake their Ethereum and get 5% yield on that.
But what percentage of Indians are actually doing that or understand that?
It's increasing very fast. So on our platform, I would say roughly 10 to 12% of people, of investors, use these kind of different instruments to maximize their returns. But that number is increasing pretty rapidly.
Sumit, why would you say that the interest in this space is increasing? Is it because of US, because we've seen very strong legislations come in from there? Or is it because of the returns that you see? Or people really do think that crypto now is a strong portfolio diversifier?
It's a combination of multiple things, Manisha. I think so many things are coming together at the same time. We have seen increasing regulatory clarity, so many discussions happening in the US. It's not like, okay, just one other topic. It is actually the prime topic of discussion when it comes to financial landscape in the US. Bitcoin price has essentially demonstrated that highest ever inflows, Bitcoin being the most successful ETF ever. There is mainstreaming happening. So many people are talking about it because when price goes up, people start to read about it. It just triggers their curiosity. And when people read about it, they build their conviction, which creates a ripple effect. So I think everything is coming together, which is going to make it mainstream.
What is the investor profile right now? Because earlier it was only about enthusiasts and then people who wanted to try something new. But now we do understand that it's corporates, it's institutions, investors, even HNIs or family houses in India also seem to be getting into this.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I think so I've been into this space for almost 8 years now. When I was starting, it was mostly young, geeky people who sort of want to do ICOs and, oh, this white paper came and let's just read it. But now it's a lot more serious. I get like messages from our VIP customers. We have a Prime offering, CoinDCX Prime, where all the HNIs, Ultra HNIs can reach out and we handhold them. We've seen massive activity there. In terms of the average age, it used to be 25, 26 back then. Earlier, it used to be 21 and then 25, 26. Now it's like 30, 28 to 35. We are now floating in that range. People who are either working professionals, people who are doing businesses, they are now getting more and more aware and they also want a piece of the pie. They want to have like 2%, 5% Bitcoin in their portfolio. No one wants to miss out.
Oh, absolutely. And those are all opportunities, by the way. But Sumit, let's focus on the challenges as well. And what is it that you would say a first-time investor should know about crypto? Would you say Indians are now getting used to those higher taxes? And then there are, of course, challenges because of the kind of volatile moves that crypto puts forth.
Look, Manisha, crypto is volatile. It's risky. And that's the reason why returns are higher than other asset classes. People need to think beyond hype. People who are thinking to invest in crypto should not look at it as a 5x or a 10x multiplier, that they'll put X amount and it will suddenly go 5x. I think we've gone beyond that. Now it's more moderate. volatility has reduced what it was 3 years back.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, like there are millions of tokens, but important to restrict it to only quality assets that have demonstrated their potential over several years now. Anyone who is starting new, I think the general advice is start small, understand, learn about it first before you just directly put your money.
Small is what, 2% of your portfolio?
I think it depends. People have different researches. I think people have said like 2 to 5% of a portfolio gives the highest Sharpe ratio, like which is like risk-adjusted returns if you want to maximize that. So yeah, I mean, people can start with 2 to 5%. Of course, some people are more bullish like me. I have a much higher percentage allocation to crypto assets. But I think for a general investor, I think they can start small, and as you learn, as you get more comfortable, then basis your risk appetite, increase your portfolio. And when you are starting, just understand that it's a risky asset, it's a volatile asset, so only invest what you feel you can afford to lose. And then when you are really educated about this, the technology, the category, then basis your comfort, you can increase it.
CNBC-TV18 presents Crypto Corner, powered by CoinDCX.